Labafethu ukuhamba kanjani sonke sesiyazi ukuthi Sundowns have acquired the services of Monapule Saleng from Orlando Pirates. Never in my wildest dreams have I ever thought ukuthi Saleng could join a team like Mamelodi Sundowns, not because he doesn't have what it takes to play for Sundowns, but purely because Sundowns doesn't play with wingers. Siyayazi Sundowns ukuthi idlala iDiamond 4-4-2 eba nama midfielders awu-4. It's usually Umkwena, Uzwane, Umkwena playing as a deep lying playmaker, Uzwane on the left as a half-spaced midfielder. Lokhu nge-Italian abakubiza ngeMezzala, and then Allende on the other side, and then they would have a number 10. Last season it was Lucas Ribeiro Costa, now it's Ulokuzana lo mfana lo uSantos. So sometimes they even play with Umkwena no Obas. Sundowns traditionally, even their best players are usually central midfielders, from Aboro Jafetumba ibona babowina ama-player of the season, to Abonyandoro, to abanye abadlali. Maybe it could be a striker like, a Surprise Mriri, who also operates as a 10, or under Johannes Skens wayedlala as a deep lying playmaker, or a Themba Zwane, a Tebogo Mokoena, etc. That is their tradition. Right now they play a Diamond 4-4-2. Babedlala iDiamond 4-4, even nobo Gaston Sereno. Diamond 4-4-2 yabo iba no number 10 odlala behind these two strikers, and then the white space is usually occupied by ama full backs, left back no right back, because they press high yabo, and they play like that. So it would be very interesting to see how they utilize Monapule Saleng, because we've seen so many wingers struggling with Sundowns. I think the last coach to play with a winger or winger A1 was Johannes Skens, obviously because he's Dutch. But Upitso beloke bakhipha kancane kancane Bopelembe. Uyabona beloke bakhipha kancane kancane because bebona ukuthi le style sama winger Sundowns asebenza even traditionally. Even now you can see the likes of Samgele Maseko, the likes of Abomabena, they are struggling because they are wingers. So even Olafo at some point was playing as a winger ku Cosmos. Idlala uKatongo noMamadou Diallo up front, mawuzokhumbula kahle bedlala uCalvin Gadi noLafo as ama-wingers mawuzokhumbula. Kusana defense of Valerina Hayo noMkete Tsotetsi, but angifuna ukubuyela back. But ugcine bemconverter bemdlalisa as a striker, and he was mainly used as an impact player. He was a man for big occasions because he was scoring goals in big games, like very important goals. So uSaleng angiyazi le yakhe indaba ukuthi izosebenza kanjani. Maybe he will be used as one of the two strikers abadlala up front, because Matthews has been missing a lot of opportunities. Ureinas is injury prone, noma ngathi injury prone but ubelimele yabo. Kusegabili ngimbone limala and spending a lengthy spell on the sidelines, and then they also have Ushalulile, who's aging. They might utilize him as one of the two strikers, or maybe edlala in the number 10 position if ekwazi ukuba nevision yokushaya oma passes. I don't know, or they might even change the club philosophy for him, because Saleng is Saleng, So that would be very interesting to see how does he cope with Ilokuzani positional problem that he might encounter at Mamelodi Sundowns. So what do you think? Do you think he will struggle like other wingers aswazi ukuthi at top njengabo Mabena, njengabo njengoba ngibalile njengabo Maseko, noma uzokhona ukucope maybe a positional change izoba necessary ukuthi ayenze yena uMonapule Saleng, or team izoshintsha because of yena uSaleng? Asazi, but you can let me know what you think. Okay, mawubona ngqoke lento le Hotel i-Wi-Fi le bafethu ya operator kakhulu, and ifakele kakhulu abantu i-Wi-Fi from previously disadvantaged areas like my hometown oPhongolo koNcotshane operator yona, like la eTsakane la khona yabona ngisetsakane, eTsakane operator yona, koDuduza koThema kuphika uthule nje unlimited, ukhokhe once ngenyanga, wazi ukuthi hayi unlimited ngiconnecte nonke ekhaya, kunokuthi lokhu nikhipha ama-100 nje ngama-airtime, vela nu-4 nikhipha ama-99 awu-4 khokhe inyanga yonke bese niba mnandi kakhulu ngendlela eseqophelele eliphezulu. Uthi indaba lakho likaSaleng bafethu, do you think uzocopa ne-positional problem ku-Sundowns, noma ubona ukuthi i-Sundowns uzo-adapta kuyena, noma yena uzo-adapta ku-Sundowns?